Hello, my little champs. How are you all? I hope you all are good, healthy, happy. Yes, I am also very good, happy, and fine. Okay, so here I welcome you all in your computer class. Here we will see chapter number 8 of your book. And the name of the chapter is Reasoning and Critical Thinking. In this chapter, what are the things that we are covering? Any guesses? I'm hoping that you don't have any guesses because this chapter is very interesting. Okay, so let's see why this chapter is interesting. In this chapter, what are the different things? What are the some interesting or fun thing that we will discuss? I'm hoping that you already watched the previous videos. Yes? So that's very great. If you don't watch that videos, just after this video, just watch that videos. Okay? Because in the previous video, we already learned about the computer, its part, how we can use a computer, and MS Paint. How we can use MS Paint. Okay, so that chapters are very important. This chapter is also very important. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Let's see what this chapter all about. So this chapter name is Reasoning and Critical Thinking. So your friend is there. Reasoning and critical thinking help us to understand the problem and make a good decision. Yes. Now we can see these are some games which require reasoning skill, critical thinking. Yes or no? Of course, yes. Okay. So let's see. Reasoning will help you to find the way to solve the games like zigzag, maze, or tic-tac-toe, and critical thinking help us to make the logical decision. So reasoning and critical thinkings are helpful to make a good decision. Okay, so we will see shapes. We already know the shapes. In the previous class also we already discussed about the shapes. The shapes are there. Okay, so shape is a basic figure of an object. So every object has the shape. Yes or no? Every object has a shape. So for example, window of your room is rectangular in shape. Like this window is rectangular shape. Yes or no? Yes. So here are some shapes. That thing is related to your maths class also. In the maths class, we already discussed about the shapes. So let us discuss about some basic shapes. So these are some basic shapes. Let's see what are they. First is circle. Can you see this circle? Circle is there. A circle is round in a shape. The shape of circle is round, round, round. It has no corners or edges. Okay. Next is square. But the name of that shape is square. So a square has 4 sides. So how many sides are in the square? 4. All sides are equal. So all sides are equal in a square. Yes or no? I can use it. Here we can see, just observe this picture once again. Can you see here? You see, this line is equal to this line, is equal to this line, is equal to this line. All these lines are equal. Yes or no? Tell me. So this is a square. Okay. Next is rectangle. What's that? Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. So rectangle also have 4 sides. Opposite sides are equal. So in the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. It has 4 corners. So it has 4 corners. 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner, and 4 corners. The 4 corners are there in rectangle. Next is triangle. So a triangle has 3 sides. So how many sides are there? 3. These sides may or may not be equal. So in triangle, these sides are equal or may not be equal. They have 3 corners. So they have 3 corners. Okay. So I am hoping the circle, square, rectangle, and triangle shape is clear to you. Okay. So let's see. One activity is for you. A very beautiful house is made. So find and color the shapes as per the hints. So in the circle, you can color with red color, square with yellow color, rectangle with brown color, and triangle with blue color. So you can color this house and make it very beautiful. Okay, just do in this activity in your book. Okay. Now, some patterns are also there. Can you see this beautiful patterns? Okay. So patterns are things, numbers, shapes, or images that repeat in a logical way. Can you see these shapes repeated like this? First one is a pink, then blue, then two pink, then one blue, then again two pink, one blue, two pink, one blue, like this. Now here we, in the second shape, we can see one brown triangle is there, then circle, then two brown triangles, then circle, then again two brown triangles, then one blue circle is there. Okay. Next here we can see two rectangles, then one quadrilateral, then two rectangles, one quadrilateral, then again two rectangles. Okay. So these patterns form a logical way. Okay. Repeat after a logic. Okay. There is a logic behind it. So it helps us to make prediction, to understand what comes next. So with the help of pattern, you can able to identify like which shapes comes here, 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 and here. Okay, and here. So what the shapes comes after this shape, we can easily understand. So it helps us to make prediction, to understand what comes next, to make logical connections, and to use reasoning skill. Okay. For example, as in this image, we can already know. Like one activity is given to you from the like this, observe the pattern, then see which color is there in this shape. Okay, just complete the following pattern by finding the colors comes next, which colors comes next. Like in the first one, can you see the rhombus? One is the pink color, then blue, then two green color, then one pink, one blue, two green color, pink, then again which colors comes? Of course blue. Okay, here we can see some pattern is making here, here, here. Observe this pattern is same here also. So again here also the pattern will be the same. Okay, now we can see two blue star, one green star, one red star, one yellow star. Then again the pattern will be same. Here we can see two blue star, one green star, then comes one red star. So the color of the star should be in red color. Next flower, that is in blue color, purple color, blue color, pink color, blue color. Again the same pattern is there. So observe this thing, because this thing is the same, again this thing here also. Okay, so the blue pattern should be there, then purple, then blue. Okay, like this you have to follow. Okay, now the heart is also there, two pink heart, one red heart, one yellow heart, then blue. Here is the pattern. Here this much is the pattern that is following. That means two pink, one red, one yellow, one blue. So two pink, one red, one yellow, then one blue. Then again two pink. The color of that heart should be the pink. So these are the pattern that is forming, and behind the pattern there should be a logic. Okay. I'm hoping you can easily do this. Okay. That's very great. Now we will move on. Word search. What's a word search? Let's see. Word search is a game in which children search for a particular word in a word maze. The word to be searched is arranged in a form like this, row left to right, like this. This is a row. This is the column from up to down. So the column should be in up to down position and row should be left to right. These are the two things. You can know that what is a row, what is a column. Row just like this, left to right, and column should be up to down. Okay. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Let's see. Suppose you are given a word maze as shown below, and you are given some words to find in a maze, like apple. Where is apple is given? Here we can see the apple is there. Can you see apple? In a row, the apple should be there from left to right. Next one is dog. Where is the dog there? Dog is also in the row, D-O-G. Here we can see D-O-G, dog. Are you able to identify all these things? I am hoping that you can easily identify. Okay. This is the thing, dog. Okay. Next, pen. Pen is also there. Here the pen should be written in a column, like up to down the column part. And the break is also there in the column part. Can you see? Here, which I also highlighted with yellow color. Can you see all these things? So these are the row and columns. The procedure to find the word in a word maze are look at all the rows one by one. Okay, if you want to search the word in the word maze, just look at the column first, then row first, then word. Okay, search for the first word in all the rows. So just observe the rows where the word is written. Okay, if the word is found, circle it. If the word is found, then circle that thing. If a word is not found, look at all the columns one by one. Search for the word and circle it. So these are the things that you can follow. So these are the things that boost your critical thinking and logical thinking, and if you can say reasoning thinking. Okay. So these chapters based upon your reasoning and critical thinking. I'm hoping this much is clear to you. This chapter is over. I'm hoping this chapter is clear to you. So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.